If you love home decor, you're probably always looking to improve your space. Today, let's talk about common bedroom decor mistakes. Fixing these will make your bedroom look more polished and inviting. Matching furniture sets might seem like the easy way out, but trust me, they're a total decor buzzkill. They make your bedroom feel bland, like it was plucked straight out of a showroom. Instead, mix things up. Combining different pieces adds so much personality and makes your space feel cozy, inviting, and totally you. It's like giving your bedroom its own unique vibe. Drapery can totally elevate your bedroom, but overly colorful or busy pattern curtains? Big mistake. They quickly turn into an eyesore. For that polished designer vibe, stick to a neutral color palette. It's classic, calming, and never goes out of style. One decor mistake I see all the time? A chaotic mix of colors and patterns in the bedding. Bedding is such a game changer. It can totally make or break your bedroom's look. The key is to keep it simple. Stick to a neutral or white base and add a few pops of color that tie together. Less is more when it comes to creating a cohesive, stylish bed. Want an easy way to level up your bedroom's look? Start with decluttering. Messy surfaces on nightstands, dressers, or any other furniture are another total buzzkill. Clear them off and add some organizers to the drawers. They'll help you keep things neat and make your space feel instantly more polished. A tidy bedroom is a stylish bedroom. Your nightstand isn't just functional, it's prime real estate for decor. If you're going for that luxurious, designer look, don't overlook it. A well-styled nightstand can completely elevate your bedroom. Try adding a vase with faux greenery, a candle, a small picture frame, and a chic table lamp. It's the little touches that make all the difference. Lamps and nightstands go hand in hand, but the right lamp is key. Skip flashy, shiny designs. They often look cheap. Instead, choose ceramic, stone, or clear glass bases with neutral shades for a timeless, elegant vibe. Bulb temperature is just as important as your lamp choice. Warm or neutral white bulbs create a cozy, inviting vibe essential for a well-designed bedroom. Avoid daylight bulbs. They can feel harsh and out of place. And that's it for today's bedroom decor tips. I've got 10 additional tips waiting for you on the blog. Check out the link in the description. Don't forget to subscribe for more home decor inspiration, and I'll see you in the next one.